Hi, I'm Jim Gander, Master Plumber and owner of Superior Plumbing in Rochester, Minnesota. Welcome to Plumbing Tips. Today I'm going to talk to you about the Watco Flex Complete Bath Waste. The Watco Flex is a great product because it eliminates the problem of misalignment between the sanitary tee and the overflow elbow when installing a bath waste. On a residential project, you often run into a joist or a truss that inhibits you from installing the waste and overflow completely straight. On a high-rise, multi-family job involving poured-in-place concrete, a plumber is required to install his pipe before the concrete is poured and the studs are framed in. This encourages the opportunity for the pipe to be several inches from its intended location. When this happens, the only thing a plumber can do is to utilize 45 or 22.5s and field assemble and offset with several unnecessary joints. As you know, the more joints could mean more leaks. Imagine the savings created by the simple installation of the Watco Flex Drain. Without a doubt, this will save, at the bare minimum, a half hour on every tub installation. That's why the Flex is so valuable. The Flex uses flexible PVC tubing in place of rigid PVC pipe. The overflow elbow is factory sealed to the Flex tubing. The T-end of the Flex tubing is shipped disconnected, designed to be cut and fit in the field using standard PVC joining techniques. The Flex bends to correct misalignment, saves the contractor installation time, eliminates the need for multiple fittings, thus preventing potential leaks. Plus, it includes the Innovator Overflow System, a self-centering overflow L that extends through the overflow hole, eliminating leaks, and a snap-on, high-flow Innovator Overflow faceplate that has up to twice the overflow capacity of traditional overflows. The Watco Flex has saved my company time, money, and problems. It's available at any plumbing wholesaler and is backed by a 5-year limited warranty. You can identify the Watco Flex by looking for the bright green flexible PVC tubing. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you found it helpful. I'm Jim Gander with Plumbing Tips.